After File tab covered in the previous video, we will start with the Home tab and specifically with the Clipboard. To copy a text and write it again in another place, we can select the paragraph or the text we need to copy. We can select the text or the paragraph, then we can click here on copy, then go where we need to copy it again and click on paste, and the text will be copied and write it again. So again we can select the paragraph we need or the text we need to copy. We can click on copy or Control C on the keyboard and then go where we need to write it again and click on paste or Control V on the keyboard. So to copy a text and write it again, we select the text, click on copy or Control C and paste it where we need to write it again or Control V on keyboard. No. If we need not to copy it and write it again, we need to move it. So for example, if I need to move this paragraph completely from here to another place, we select the paragraph and click on cut or Control X on keyboard and then go where we need to write it again. For example, I need to paste it here. I can click on paste or Control V in the keyboard. So for shortcuts, Control C is for copy, Control X for cut, Control V to paste the copied or the paragraph we need to move to another place. Uh, Also, we have the font tool bar. For all things found in font tool bar, we need to select a text before. So first step is to select a text. For example, I select the text and then I can use the font tool bar. In the font toolbar, as you can see by default, the font by the default font for Word is Calibri. I can choose the font. So first step, I select the text. Here in the drop down of font, I can choose the font I want. You can see when I choose the font, I have already a preview. So I have a preview how the new font will be. So I can, when I found the font I need, I can click on it and it will be applied. Again, for example, if I need to change the font for this paragraph, I select the paragraph. I can come here and choose a paragraph, or if I know what is the font I need, for example, I need to see the handwriting, I can type the font. I have an autocomplete option, and when I found the font, I click on enter and the font will be changed. So also uh, also I can change the size. By default, the size I have is 11. I can here from the drop down choose directly the size I need. For example, I need 14, or I can choose the text and use the increase button and decrease button to increase and decrease the font size. So I have here the font. I can change the font. I can change the font size. Also, I can use these two buttons to increase and decrease font size. Now I will choose for this Calibri, and for size I will choose 11. Now let's start with the effects. I can apply bold effect. I select the text and click on B to apply a bold effect to the text. Also, I can apply an italic effect. I choose the text and click on the I. I can apply an underline effect. For underline, I have the option to choose the underline style. I can, for example, add double underline, dash, dot, underline, waved underline. For example, let's apply double underline. Also, I can choose the layout. For example, I will choose the waved underline, and I can choose the underline color. Now, if I applied and I click the U again, it will take the last underline I used. For example, the last underline I used is the waved red. So now when I click directly on U, it will apply the waved red underline. So in underline we can choose the style and the color. Also, effects can be combined. For example, if here I select this statement, I can apply bold, I can apply also italic, I can also apply, for example, single underline. To remove the effect, I can again, for example, I can again reselect the statement or the paragraph. I can click again on bold. When I click again on bold, it will be removed. The effect will be removed. If I need to re-add the bold, I click again on the bold, and the effect will be applied again. So to remove, I click. To apply, I click again. So I can remove, for example, the italic. I can reapply the italic. So the effects can be combined, and we can add or remove the effects added. Now, beside the underline, we have the option to strike through. Strike through is to put line in the middle of the words or the statement. So you can notice if I click again, it will be removed. When I click on the strike through, a strike line will be added on the statement. Also, I can apply, for example, I can apply a subscript. Subscript which converts the text to a small text below the normal text, and I can apply a superscript. Superscript converts the text to small text but above of the normal lines. So subscript below the normal line, superscript above the normal line. Usually, subscript and superscript are used in formulas. For example, if we have in mathematics x2, I need 2 to be a superscript. Also, for example, in chemistry, if I have H2O, 2 must be a subscript. Also, I can apply a text. I can apply a text effect. We have a predefined. This is the button of text effect. We have a predefined text effect which can be applied, or I can apply step by step my text effect that I need. First step, I choose that the text or the statement I need to apply text effect. Then from text effect, I can apply the outline. For example, then I can apply the shadow. I can apply the reflection, and I can apply, for example, a glow. Besides the font text effect, we have the highlight. To apply the highlight, also I select the statement, I click on highlight, I choose the color. For example, here I can come and again highlight, choose the color I need. So to choose highlight, I can select, then click on highlight. To remove highlight, I need to select again the statement, click on highlight, and choose no color. So if I need to remove the highlight, I choose the text on highlight and apply no color. To apply the highlight, I choose the paragraph, for example, or the statement, and on highlight, I can apply the highlight. Also, I can change the font color. To change the font color, I select also the text, I click on color and the apply the color. The difference between highlight and the font color is that the highlight change the background, but the color of the text is still in black. But the font color choose the color of the written text. So the highlight is like a background for our text. Now concerning the convert our change case. In change case, we have many options. For the selected text, I can make it sentence case. Sentence case means for each statement, the first letter of first word will be capital. If I select lowercase, all letters will be small letters. If I choose uppercase, all letters will be capitals. If I choose capitalize each word, so in each word, first letter will be capital. For example, in video, V is capital, provides P is capital. Or I can use toggle case convert the capital letter to small letter and small letter to capital letter. Let's make it sentence case. So in toggle case, we can change the case. To remove formatting, I can choose where I applied the formatting. I can click here on this icon to remove all formatting. You will notice that the formatting is applied for font, size, bold, italic, underline, strike through, superscript, subscript, for text effect, the color, but it not be applied for the highlighting. The highlighting is not considered as a text effect. So the formatting remove the text effects. So you notice that only text the highlight not removed. All other effects has been removed when I click on highlight. Now, to step back, so for example, if I did the clear formatting by mistake, to fix this mistake, I can use this button to undo. So when I click again, it will undo. To redo, I can click on this icon to redo. Now we have also shortcuts. So in keyboard, we have Control Z for undo, Control Y for redo. Now, for example, let's take this statement. I will make the font Times New Roman 12. I will make it bold and underline with color, for example, red. Or let's choose, for example, the green. And I need to apply this effect in many places. So first step to do is to double click on Format Painter. When double click, you will see that now Format Painter is selected. For example, I need to apply for this statement. I can select this statement and the effect will be applied. I can apply it on one word. For example, I need to apply on this word. I click here to apply on this word. For example, I need to apply for this paragraph. I can select this paragraph and the effect will be applied. Once I finish to apply my effects, I click again on Format Painter. So now if I click, the effect will no longer be applied. So I click, for example, let's try, for example, I will make this bold and italic. I need to apply bold and italic. Double click on Format Painter. Then I click when I need to apply. I can apply on Word. I can apply on line. I can apply, for example, on a paragraph. This concerning Format Painter. Once I finished, I click to disable the Format Painter. In Font Tool, we can expand the options. For example, I said before, I can, for this word, for example, for this statement, I can add a strike through, but I can add a double strike through. To add a double strike through, I click here to expand the font. I can choose, for example, double strike through instead of the strike through, and you will notice that now two lines has been added. To remove the double strike through, I reselect the text, click on the expand icon, I uncheck the double strike through, and the double strike through will be removed. To apply, click double strike through, and the double strike through will be applied. Also, in the expanded option, I will take this word, I will expand. In the advanced tab, I can increase the spacing. For example, in spacing, I will choose expand. I will choose for I will increase the expanded, and you will notice that now the letters are spread away. The space between characters has been increased. For another word, for example, I will take remembers. I will expand the option in advanced. Now I will use condensed. Condensed, so the space between characters will be decreased. Another option is to control the position. I can raise or lower the word above or below the line. So I will use raise. I will raise the word over the line. You will notice that reach now is raised. And for example, for word and, I will decrease the position. I will lower it below the line. Thank you.